friends, welcome to Cbse Signal.
Let's study chapter 8. Who is heavier? Who is having more weight? Which one is more heavy? Gur, jaggery and groundnuts. Shabnam loved to eat jaggery and groundnuts. One day, she bought 1 kilogram of jaggery and 1 kilogram of groundnuts. You know that kilogram is written as kg. Shabnam likes to eat what? Jaggery and groundnuts. And one day she went to market and she brought 1 kilogram jaggery and 1 kilogram groundnut. See, she is holding both on her hands. Gur means jaggery and ground. What is she saying? Oh, the groundnuts look so much more than jaggery. See, groundnuts quantity wise it's more compared to gur, right?
Yes.
Are the groundnuts really more than jaggery in weight or do they just look more? Can you say which one is more heavier, groundnut or gur?
Good.
No, both are having the same weight. She bought 1 kilogram of groundnut and 1 kilogram of gur. That means they both are of same weight. Groundnut just looks like more heavier, but they both are having the same weight. Now guess for which of these you need a bigger bag. Given below are two things and we have to say for which one we need a bigger bag. First is 1 kilogram popcorn or 1 kilogram sugar. For which you need a big bag?
Popcorn.
Yes. 1 kilogram peas or 1 kilogram potatoes?
Potatoes.
Yes. Go to the market and check if your guess is right. Pumpkin, tomato, panga. Panga means fight. Pumpkin and tomato, there's a fight between pumpkin and see here the pumpkin and tomatoes. This is a playground where tomatoes come to play every day. They love playing on the seesaw. See here it's a seesaw and tomatoes like to play in the seesaw. One day a big pumpkin comes and sits on one side of the seesaw. See the pumpkin sitting on one side. When he does not get up for a long time, the tomatoes decided to sit on the other side and lift the pumpkin up so that he falls off. He was sitting there for a long time. He was not ready to get out. But the tomatoes wanted to play. What they had decided to do? They thought they will go and sit on the opposite side. And when they will sit on the opposite side, the pumpkin side will rise up and he will fall down. The little tomatoes start climbing on to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. etc. up to 25. The pumpkin is still sitting and laughing. So the big tomatoes decided to help. So what happened? The small tomatoes climbed one after the other. 25 small tomatoes climbed up the seesaw. But there was no change for the pumpkin's position. He was sitting there. So what happened? The bigger tomatoes decided to help the small tomatoes. The little ones get down and make way for the fat ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. The little ones got down and the fat ones climbed up. And how many of the fat tomatoes climbed up? 20 fat tomatoes climbed up. Yay! The pumpkin is up in the air. It shouts, bring me down, please. And what happened? Pumpkin raised up and it started shouting, hey, please bring me down. See the pumpkin yelling at them. And the tomatoes are enjoying their victory. How many small tomatoes do you think could lift the pumpkin up? We had seen that 20 fat tomatoes lifted up the pumpkin. At least 40 small tomatoes should be there to lift up the pumpkin. How many big mangoes can balance a pumpkin? 10 to 15 mangoes can balance a pumpkin, right? How many pumpkins can balance you on the seesaw? 10, 15? 10 to 15 pumpkins can balance you on the seesaw, right? It depends upon your weight. Name some of your classmates who you think weigh almost the same as you, more than you, less than you. You have to guess and say whether some of your classmates having same weight as you, or some more heavier than you, or someone less heavier or lighter than you. And just give a guess and check it. How many books can you lift on one hand keeping your arms straight? Do it and see. Double her weight. Kunyamma's parents have a different way of celebrating Independence Day because Kunyamma was born that day. Kunyamma's parents had a different way of celebrating Independence Day. When is Independence Day? Yeah, August 15th. Because Kunyamma was born on August 15th, they used to celebrate Independence Day in a different way. They buy sweets double of Kunyamma's weight and distribute them among poor people. They used to buy sweets double the weight of Kunyamma and they used to distribute among the poor people. If Kunyamma's weight is 10 kg, they used to buy 10 plus 10, 20 kg of sweets. When Kunyamma was born, she was 3 kg. Today is Independence Day and Kunyamma is 5 years old. She is 28 kg now. When Kunyamma was born, she was only 3 kg. And today is her birthday and she is 5 years old and she is 28 kg now. Now guess her weight and the amount of sweets her parents distribute every Independence Day. Now you have to guess her what will be her weight and what amount of sweets her parents distribute on every Independence Day. Kunyamma's age. At birth she was 3 kg and amount of sweets they distributed is 3 plus 3 equals 6. 1 year old 9 kg. Amount of sweets 9 plus 9 equals 18 kg. 2 years old she was 13 kg and they distributed 13 plus 13 equals 26 kg of sweets. 3 years old she is 17 kg and they distributed 17 plus 17 equals 34 kg of sweets. When she was 4 years old she was 22 kgs. They distributed 22 plus 22 equals 44 kg sweets. 5 years old she is 28 kg now and they distributed 28 plus 28 equals 56 kg sweets. Yum yum rice. Shugoto heard about a new dish on the radio. He wants to try making it. When he notes down how to make it, he gets confused. This is what he notes down. Shugoto heard about a new dish on radio and he wants to try it and he would have written the recipe of it, but he was having some confusion in that. This is what he had written. Pour 2 spoons of water in the pot. 2 spoons of water. Boil the water and add 1 pinch of dal. 1 pinch of dal. Half kilogram red chilli powder. 1 bowl salt. Now put a spoon of rice. Add 2 peas and 8 glasses of mustard seeds. Finally 1 kilogram of onion. Mix everything and boil for 15 minutes. But Shugoto feels there's something very wrong in the amount of everything. See here we also find it so awkward, right? Something is wrong. The measurement got jumbled. So we have to correct the measurements and write it down. 2 are done for you. 1 kilogram of rice and half kilogram dal. 1 bowl of peas, 8 glasses of water, 2 onions, 1 spoon of mustard seeds, 1 pinch salt and 2 spoon of red chilli powder. Activity time. Make a list of things bought at your home. Find out how much of each thing is bought at one time. These things can be rice, oil, chili powder, sugar, milk, onions, ginger, etc. You have to make a list of things that are brought in your home and how much quantity of that items are bought. That thing we have to write in the box given below. Let's do it. Rice 5 kg, atta 10 kg, dal 2 kg, oil 5 liter, salt 1 kg, potato 20 kg, sugar 5 kg, soap 6 pieces, detergent powder 1 kg, shampoo 200 ml, tea 500 gram, spices 250 grams. Guess their weights and match. See here, there are some weights are given and some things are there around it. You have to match the things with the correct weight. Okay. Briefcase. How much will be briefcase weight of the briefcase?
I think 2 kg.
No, it's 10 kg. What about the cow?
Is 400 kg.
Yes, it's 400 kg. And what about the sack? How much it will be?
80 kg.
Yeah, it can be 80 kg. And what about that small puppy?
2 kg.
And what about this elephant?
1000 kg.
And what about that mango?
Less than 1 kg.
Guess which of the following things weigh more than 1 kilogram? Which ones will weigh less than 1 kilogram? We have to find which one will weigh more than 1 kilogram and which is less than 1 kilogram. Your school bag. Is it less than 1 kilogram or more than 1 kilogram?
More than.
Geometry box.
Less than.
Less than 1 kilogram. A brick.
More than 1 kilogram.
A big pumpkin.
More than 1 kilogram.
Your pair of slippers or shoes.
Less than 1 kilogram.
Bring a balance and a 1 kilogram weight to class and check your guess was right or wrong. Use your balance to find which of the following is heavier. You have to find which one is heavier. A water bottle or a cricket ball.
Cricket ball.
Your shoe or your pencil box.
Shoe.
Your maths book or Hindi book.
Max book.
Your bag or your friend's bag.
My bag.
Weigh 1 kilogram of mud or sand. Divide it equally into 2 bags. Use this balance to check if both the bags have equal weight. You have to take some sand or mud and you have to weigh it as 1 kg and then we have to divide it into 2 bags such that both of them having the equal weight. Now each of the bag will be having half kilogram weight, right?
Yes.
Use it to weigh some other things around you. By using these bags, we can weigh some other things. Make a list of things weighing less than half kg and the things weighing more than half kg. Things weigh less than half kg are socks, watch, belt, spectacles, slipper, gloves, etc. Things weigh more than half kg are fan, chair, table, cot, television, etc. So, weights and balances. Make a trip to your nearest junk dealer, vegetable shop and grocery shop. Have a look at the weights they use. Find out who uses the biggest weight. Who uses the biggest weight? The junk dealer. He used to sell and keep heavy luggages. So he want to use a biggest weight. And who uses the smallest weight?
Grocery shop.
Have you seen any of these balances? In which shop would you find the following weights? Discuss with your friends. This is a homework for you. You have to do it yourself. In which shop would you find the following types of weights? Discuss with your friends. See, 10 kilogram of weight, most probably with a junk dealer we'll get it. 2 kilogram, grocery shop. And 500 gram in a vegetable shop. Discuss and find out the rest. And here comes the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video,
like, share, subscribe to this video. Bye bye. See you next time.